have not made your first sale with affiliate marketing, even after putting all the efforts, I know it feels terrible. Then here are the three things that you might not be doing right that's stopping you to crack your first few sales. I was also struggling with the same for almost 8 months until I worked on these three things that I'm going to share with you. And after that, not just one, I made multiple sales. So watch the video till the end, because if you skip the third one, then one or two will also not going to work. Let's start with the first one, targeting the wrong audience. Let me share one of my experience with you. So when I started affiliate marketing in 2021, I was promoting a $2,000 product. I was completely beginner, completely new that time. I had no idea how this online business affiliate marketing works. I started creating content on Instagram because I was using Instagram to generate traffic to my affiliate product. And slowly, my content was getting better. I was getting good views on my content. I also started getting leads, inbound leads in DMs. Lot of people used to DM me, like 5 to 10 people every day DM me that they are interested in starting affiliate marketing business. But at the end, no one was buying the product I was promoting. I was not getting a single sale. At that time, I was not understanding why it's happening. But later, when I joined some courses, coaching program to learn the affiliate marketing in right way, then I realized I was selling to the wrong audience. That audience was not right fit for the product I was promoting. They all were beginners, like they were completely new to this online business. Most of them never heard about affiliate marketing. Like, what is affiliate marketing? They don't even know that. They did not even trust this online business whether it's going to work or not. So they were not ready to invest that much amount of money of $2,000. They were not ready to take the big risk, because yes, $2,000 is a lot of money in Indian currency. It's something around 1,60,000, even more than that. So it's a lot of money. People were not ready to invest that much amount in the thing that they don't know about. And even if one or two person wanted to try, interest showing was showing the interest, but they were not financially qualified. They would depend on their parents for their finances. So they need to ask to their parents for the money. And yes, of course, their parents would not allow them. Their parents want them to just focus on the studies, because all the people I was getting, there were students, college students, first year, second year students. So that's why no one was buying the product I was promoting. Maybe if I sold them a low ticket product that does not have that much big risk, or they can afford, then maybe they will buy from me. So you need to make sure that you are selling to the right audience. The product you are promoting is the right fit for your audience. You need to financially qualify your audience as well, whether they can afford your product or not. Because even if you are doing everything right, but your audience is not right, then at the end they will not going to buy from you. So if you are not making sales, make sure to check that you are promoting to the right audience. Now let's say you are targeting right audience, people are showing interest in your product, but still you are not making enough sales. That means you don't have enough traffic, and that is the second thing you need to work on. You need more traffic, more people to see your product. Do you know 80% of the affiliates are not able to make money with affiliate marketing because they don't have enough traffic. They don't know how to generate traffic or leads. Having a consistent traffic source is so important to build a profitable affiliate marketing business. And generating traffic is not a big thing if you have a right strategy. So to generate leads consistently, either you need to create content or you need to run paid ads. Even if you are running paid ads, still I recommend you to create content because it will lower your ad cost. Now, when it comes to creating content, start with the one platform. Choose one platform. It can be YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, where your audience is most active, and create valuable content consistently for at least 90 to 120 days to start seeing some real result. Also, you can start engage with the top creators, top entrepreneurs in your niche. That will also bring you a lot of traffic. Now there is another fastest way to derive traffic. You can start creating short form videos like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. It's a fastest way to derive traffic. I have created a detailed video on how you can start creating reels that will derive you lots of traffic and leads. I'll put the link in the description. You can check the video. So now you are targeting right audience. You have enough traffic also, but people will not buy from you until you have a proven sales system. And most of the beginners are not aware of this, how important it is to have a proven sales system. I even don't know about it when I started. After the traffic, this is the second biggest reason why most of the affiliates fail to build a profitable affiliate marketing business. If you don't want to be the one, then keep watching the video. What most of the beginners do to sell the product, they join the affiliate program, they grab their affiliate link and they put the affiliate link in their bio. They send traffic to that affiliate link and start hoping to make some sales, but it's not going to happen. This method used to work earlier, but now in 2024, even and after 2024 onwards, 2025, 2026, this method doesn't work. It's only a waste of time. Generating traffic is the one part of this business, but to make sales, you need to nurture your audience. You need to build trust among your audience first. Once they know, like, and trust you, then they will buy from you. And in the starting, most of the beginners are not aware how important it is to have a sales system. That's why they find it so difficult to sell a product. I know because I have also gone through the same. That's why I don't want you to feel the same pain. Many companies have their sales system. They give their sales system to their affiliates also, like the email campaigns and webinars, whatever they have for the selling. But there are many companies also that does not provide any resource that will help you to sell the product. Now in that case, you need to build your own sales system, like the clickbank products. There are many products on the clickbank that does not have their sales system. They does not have any follow-up emails. They does not have any webinars, trainings to nurture the audience, to actually build the trust. There you need to fill that gap between the product and the customer. And building a sales system is not as easy it looks like. It requires lot of time, hard work, lots of experiment, trial and error, whether it's will going to work or not. So if you don't want to get into that, you have job, you don't have much time, or you have any other things you don't want to get into, you don't want to get into the selling system, then I have a complete automated system for you that will going to sell 15 plus product 24 into 7 for you. You only need to send traffic to that system. If you want to know about that complete automated system, then click here and watch the video.